mostly overcast day, a little bit of blue sky poking up here and there, but a bit more bearable weather. Actually have a t-shirt on under my leather jacket instead of just a beat up old wife beater. And I'm heading on down to a vacuum cleaner service and repair and parts place to see if they have, by chance, a Hoover roller brush. So ours bit the big one a couple days back, and I got some runner carpets to vacuum. So, worst case scenario, I'll have to order it, but one way or the other, I'll eventually get the vacuum cleaner repaired. Or, you know, I guess it's called a repair. It's just replacing a roller brush. No big whoop. On Amazon for about 20 bucks. But when I found out drive by the place, and we bought actually Kirby parts there, and we had an old metal Kirby. Wow, this guy in the Chevy Tracker is like really slow, like unnaturally slow. So anyways, and they advertise on the windows Auric and Kirby, but nothing else. So I thought, okay, well they must pretty much stick only to those two. Then I got online and double checked, and their website says they carry parts and do service and repairs on all brands, or at least all major brands, and Hoover was listed square in the middle. So I kind of figured it would, you know, they try to standardize parts across product lines as much as possible. So I'm hoping I got the beater bar, or the roller brush. I got the beater bar. Got the roller brush in the knapsack to bring with me to make sure it's the right one. And snapped a pic of the vacuum cleaner on the phone, so I can say, this is our 7-year-old vacuum cleaner. Poor thing. It has suffered through 6 cats. Put out a lot of hair. Cats didn't like the vacuum cleaner either. So I guess it was a hate-hate relationship. And I'm in the middle of rendering out the color grading on the last Motovlog, which was the first Motovlog I did with the rearward facing camera on the windshield. And it was really, oh man, right before sunset. Beautiful amount of colors in the sky. And then bringing it into DaVinci Resolve 11 really brought everything out. So we'll see how it turns out when it's done. And then I gotta, still learning how to, you know, I don't even know how to really edit yet within DaVinci properly. And my computer's so slow that it makes experimenting not worth my time yet. Unless it's like a, I mean, I'll do it later on when I've got some really short clips. but not when I've got a, you know, motovlog to do. I just got to take the time to do it. I just got so many things going on. It's one of those things. Okay, I'm going to go this direction. Lucky enough to have a car in front of me this time, so I shouldn't get stuck at the light here forever.
Should be getting a turnaround here pretty soon. We're gonna get the cycle through last, because that means their turn light will go red, and that light will go green. And 30 seconds later, we'll finally get to turn.
There we go. Just a leisurely jaunt to the vacuum store. Gonna get myself a new roller brush. That's the vacuum cleaner store song. That's copyrighted, so any of you online pirates out there better steal it. I better not hear Jay-Z out there with a vacuum cleaner store song next month. Ooh, crazy person on the bike. I guess I'm taking a long way. I'm taking the long way. I always take the long way. Okay, I think it was on rural, so it's a little ways down. Not too far. Vacuum World. Vacuum World. And it sucks. No. I've actually been in there. It's a pretty neat place. And if you're a vacuum cleaner, that, holy crap. They got all kinds of stuff. I knew they had a lot of the, you know, Kirby and Auric. I didn't know they had pretty much all the other major brands. Alright, taking a left here at the light. See if we can do lava feet here. Lava feet, no problem. Oh no, see, yeah. I'm gonna take a left here. Then we'll take another left. As I said, I'm taking the long way. Not in a hurry. Not in a monkey hurry. Except for this light. Gonna go, 'cause if I don't, I'm gonna sit there forever. Yeah, kind of a gray gray cloud day, but it's still bright. Like I say, plenty warmish. Actually, almost this is like perfect riding temperature for me. Don't have to bundle up with the under layers. You're sweating your balls off. So yeah, I guess like the really long way. Probably about twice as long as what it took. And it's like riding. So I do extendo rides whenever I can. And if I got the time after my chore ride or commute ride, I always try to hit one of my back roads. Explore a new one, or just putt around and relax. Motorcycle and the road are my therapist. The road is my therapist, and my motorcycle is my trusty steed. Yep, there we are. In this parking lot. After this car. Lava feet, lava feet. No bump. Let me see. Jumping around in this direction. Bump, 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 bump. Park. Alright, yeah. Yeah. Alright. Good ride, nobody died. Nobody cried, nobody lied. Alright, back in a jiff, hopefully with a roller brush. Success! Success! We have a roller, I think that'll work. And good thing too is like the one on Amazon was $19.99 plus $5 shipping. And this was like $27, so for only basically $2 more. A short trip on the motorcycle. Got a brand new beater brush or roller brush in my hand. This one's made of wood instead of plastic. So I'll go back home and hop it in there, and hopefully everything lines up, and we'll get back to vacuuming. The garage more cleared out. Got the car parked in there again, and means the wife will be coming and going through the garage door entrance to the house. In addition to me with the motorcycle. So we're going to be needing a little bit more vacuum cleaner action. Yeah, I got hit by something. Oh, my strap? Oh. Yeah, that's good. I forgot to snap my strap down here. Try this one here real quick. Okay. Okay. Secure a strap on my helmet there. So anyways, that was a success. I got a beater bar brush, or a roller brush, vacuum cleaner. It's a wooden one with bearings instead of a plastic one with just like a grease film kind of bushing with a plastic end cap. So this one should last a little longer, hopefully, and cut down on the amount of broken drive belts. And let's see how everything goes. There we go. Cool air feels good today. Just after the 4th of July. I think pretty much everybody had good weather across Oregon. Oh. I had a green light. Thought I was going to have to sit there for a little bit. They've got a green right, or excuse me, a red right and green right at that traffic light for the turn lane, and I'm not going to go around the corner and get a nearly $400 ticket. Just so somebody behind me can save 30 seconds out of their life. So it's nice when the light is green when you get there, or shortly after. Because I know a lot of people just end up running the light. So I'll be able to, look like it was pretty well a good match. Those guys are the vacuum cleaner experts, quite frankly. I know enough to plug them in and service the belt, and know enough to know if the motor's fried or if there's a vacuum leak, that type of thing. But they are the experts in all models and parts and disassembly, assembly procedures. So I was very happy. He had a pretty good sized rack behind him. I thought they were like ones that maybe he'd repaired for other people, but it was a rack of stock. I guess Hoover doesn't number their beater or their roller brush with parts numbers, or they don't give it out to their authorized service centers. So you have to physically have the old roller brush in your hand so they can compare. I guess he thought I didn't have it because he said, well, you'd have to have it. You'd have to bring it in. And he started turning around and walk away, and I was like, well, I've got it. He's like, oh, you do? I'm like, well, yeah, I'm a man. I show up a little prepared. And as I said, you know, it's all good in the hood. So yeah, he was happy to see at least that somebody, you know, actually brought in a part instead of, you know, goofing around, coming down, looky-loo style. Coming up, which means red means lava feet. So you try to delay as much as you can, and if you underguesstimate, then you have to stay afloat upright. Because to touch your feet on the ground is to touch them on lava. To touch your feet to lava means you get your tootsies burned. Almost seems like it's trying to rain here. Yeah, that or I'm running through bugs. It's rain though. Yeah, it is. Just a spritzer. Either that or this guy's spattering something out of his exhaust. Alright, success. So, you have a good in there, YouTube, and we'll see you later. Okay, well, I figured I might as well show you what my struggles brought me today. Okay, there's my nappy sack. Ta-da! Dun, 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 dun. Very heavy duty. Got a bearing in there. See it spinning. Bearing in there. Yeah, this was a solid piece, and that was a. And it goes into here. Oops. I need to get a belt. Right here. And hopefully everything lines up like it's supposed to. That's going to go in that end. That's going to go in that end. Let's see, that side out. And that, and that. Go into there. Just like that. Perfect fit. Absolute perfect fit. Right there. Excellent. Or excuse me, 29, I don't care whatever it was. 30 bucks. It's a little bit more, but it's really heavy duty. The one that they were advertising online was like an exact replacement. So I know, phew, yeah. That's going to be much, much better. Put that back on. Okay, where is my flathead? Except for the one on top of my shoulders. Right there. It should work. And we will snug this down. And snug that down. There you go. There you go. All right. Moment of truth. 2 dirty carpets. All kinds of stuff in there. Metal shavings and wood chips. It's our garage laundry unit. So we will see how it goes. Put that back onto there. Got a couple of these on each pocket so I can quick release keys on and off. Very handy. And I know they're there. I don't have to wonder if they're in a pocket. And if they're in a pocket, less likelihood of them getting leverage to stab me if I'm in an accident. Keep them on the outside and they're just flopping there. Very hard to get the right leverage to do any damage to yourself. Okay. Oh, we getting warm in this helmet. Need to get something cool. Here we go. Ready? A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's gotta be plugged in. Let's see. Get that there. Okay, here's the first ever electrical plug cam. Ready? Here it goes. Here it goes. History in the making. Watch. History. History. Oh! And it's spinning very quickly. Quietly, too. Considering. It's been years since that problem with that plastic bushing thing is just getting worse and worse. Until it finally just totally seized up. Had to break the end cap free with a little tippy tap after unscrewing the center axle rod. Oh, look at that. That is so nice. Oh. 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 So there's, of course, just random stains. I gotta get the shampooer cleaned up and all that stuff. Oop, hang on a second. Yeah. Some of that's just a little bit of spilt soda and spilt laundry soap. Get this last little corner here. Oh yeah. Oh. The carpet is saying thank you. Thank you. Oh, that feels so good. Oh, right there. Oh yeah. There you go. All right. Nice. Very nice. He's nice. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Good job. Good job. All right. That's it. I'm done. Take all this motorcycle gear off. Hello? Yeah, I'm roasting. It was warm, or perfect temperature earlier, but now with this on in the garage, getting a bit muggy. Alright, so vacuum cleaner adventure number 420 was a success, resoundingly. And I'll see you on the next one. Later.